In today's video, I'll teach you how to share location on WhatsApp from Google Maps. So first of all, open the Google Maps on your device. You can see over here, I've opened it. Initially, you'll be led to the Explore interface. What you have to do is find the location that you would like to share. You can also search for it by tapping on the search bar that you can see at the top. After you do that, you'll be able to search for the location. After that, what you have to do is simply tap on the location that you would like to share. You'll be able to see the detail regarding that location over here. If you look at the top, you'll be able to find various icons. Tap on the share icon. After you do that, you'll be able to share the location. You can simply copy the link by tapping on the copy option. After you do that, you can open the WhatsApp and simply send the link. Or you can also scroll down to the bottom. Now over here, you'll be able to see the platforms where you can share the location. Find the option for WhatsApp and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see your contacts over here. You can also search for the contacts. After that, tap on the chat where you want to send the location. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the location has been sent. So like this, you'll be able to send the location. So that is how you send location on WhatsApp from Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.